Hello again, everyone. We're going to go over a few key movers today, a few charts, and we're going to go over our analysis and thought process, and hopefully it will help you guide through the market. If you like the analysis and you like the videos, go ahead and visit us at www.stockmarketvideo.com and sign up for the risk-free trial today. All right, so let's get into the charts here. First one I want to take a look at is SRPT, and SRPT is one that we did look at last week here, and we mentioned that it was a very nice breakout over here, and this was on Wednesday was this breakout candle right here with that heavier volume, and I'll just zoom in right here. It was this day right here coinciding with this day right there. So nice bullish volume, nice bullish candle, break over resistance. We mentioned that this would be a good place to get long. As you can see, very nice bounce off of this support that we broke over and a break higher. We did mention that next resistance was going to be about $40. So from $28 to $40, that's about a 30% gain. That's a pretty nice gain there. We broke over this resistance right here, and this is a pretty bullish looking stock, obviously. And you can see that we've got a lot of volume down here. That marked the bottom. We've got another big volume push several days right here. And then if you notice here, I'm going to go to the weekly time frame. We're at these previous highs, so no surprise that we took a pause here, right here at about $55. You can see the previous highs, and we did mention that in the last video as well. So you can see that this is where we got rejected, right around 55, 56. So just be aware of the levels here. Now we have support at $40 and resistance at 55. So hopefully we can hold that $40. That may be a good bounce opportunity if it ends up consolidating lower down to that $40. I suspect that it'll see some kind of downside move just because of the rapidness of this move that we've seen here. So $40 support, $55 resistance on SRPT. The next one we're going to look at is MGT. In MGT, we're going to go back to the daily time frame here. As you can see, we broke out of this little flag formation right here. Typically, this is more of a continuation pattern, so continuation of this bullish pattern right here to the upside. But we did not get that. We broke below this. Next nearest support we have is right around 225 based off of the lows of these few candles right here. If you're bullish on MGT, that's really the level that you want to see hold in the near term, because there's not that much support below 225, just because when you have a straight up move, when it comes back down, it doesn't develop any support. So right here we've got a lot of support down here because of this sideways trading, okay? But up here we don't have any sideways trading, so there's not much support. So does that mean it immediately will go down to 50, or that it is going down to 50 cents? No, not at all. It can stop anywhere in between here, obviously. But just as far as the risk-reward favoring any kind of a support in here, it's kind of a no man's land just because it didn't create any support. So bulls, you want to see 226 hold right here. Bears, you want to see 226 broken. All right. Next one we're going to take a look at is ACRX. ACRX daily time frame. You can see that we broke over this downtrend line right here. See how many touches we got? Finally broke over it, and then we could be developing a new uptrend right here. Here's a touch, and we got a nice gap up on heavy volume. Okay, yes, these candles are red, and yes, we're heading lower right here in the short term, but this is bullish. Okay, a gap up on heavy volume. Look at this volume, very heavy volume. So that's what you want to see. consolidation lower to about 330, 325 is going to be a good bounce opportunity against this trend line. So bulls, you want to see this trend line hold for ACRX to head higher. And then the resistance that we have above, as you can see, we got rejected at it just a few days ago, right here, about 385. Here's a touch, here's a touch, here's a couple touches right there, here's a couple touches right there. So definitely a key level here for ACRX. All right, thank you for watching this video. Appreciate it. If you're interested in becoming a member and signing up for the risk-free trial that we have going on right now, go ahead and visit the website, www.stockmarketvideo.com. We'll see you over there.